All right, so for our next part of addition, if you have dominoes, this is a fun game you can play. If you don't, you could just draw dots on a card. You could use the dice game for this as well, but I'm just trying to change things up a little bit. So here I have a domino. Faye, can you please count how many dots are on this side of the domino?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, find the number card that shows 5. All right. Now, how many dots are on this side of the domino?
1, 2.
Okay. All right, so we have the number 2 because we have 2 dots, the number 5 for 5 dots. Now, if we have 5 dots and we add 2 more, how many do we have altogether?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we need the number card that shows 7. Oh, it's not in view. Ta-da! This is another great way to build addition knowledge. This will lend itself to number bonds. So if you have a domino, this is a great activity. I hope you are really having fun. I just wish I was there with you guys.